What's up, everybody? Crazy Al came back again for another Bike of the Day feature. Yes, the Bike of the Day movement is continuing, it's going down. I got bikes for days to show you guys, and today's bike is a special one, and it is a SUNN Royal Factory Olympic Custom. This bike right here is ridden by 2016 BMX finalist, BMX World Champion, 2021 BMX Olympian, Manon Valentino, straight out of France. This bike was submitted back in 2021, and it was all built up for Manon to compete in the 2020 Olympic Games. I reached out to Manon and was like, yo, you gotta submit this bike. This bike is fire. I love the sun. It looks real fresh. And she hit me up with the pictures and the description and all that good stuff. So big shout out to Manon for submitting this bike to Bike of the Day. So I really love the design of the SUNN Royal Factory frames. That rear dropout is crazy. If you look at all the details on the dropout, it just looks bananas. Manon submitted this bike right before she went to Japan for the Olympics, and she said, departure in a few days for Japan, the opportunity for me to thank those who give me strength every day, and a wink in particular to my partners. Thank you to the Federation, France Olympics, and France, quite simply, for giving me the opportunity to represent our beautiful country. I hope to take my 971 to the top. All right, so now that we know about Manon's thoughts on this bike and this build and the Olympics and all that, let's check out those parts, son. All right, so once again, this is a SUNN Royal Factory Olympic edition, specially done for Manon Valentino. She's rocking SUNN carbon forks. She's got box 8-inch rise bars, ODI long neck V2 lock-on grips. She's rocking one of those oversized box 1 stems with a 53mm length, FSA headset, Shimano brake lever, Shimano brakes. She's rocking 177.5mm box M35 cranks, Shimano pedals, KMC chain, box carbon seat, Onyx 20mm front hub, Onyx Ultra SS 10mm rear hub. She's rocking Pride front and rear rims. She's rolling on V2 V tires. She's rocking those V tire coat inner tubes. And of course, she's rocking that 971 on her number plate, and it looks like it's a box number plate. So she's rocking a box number plate. All right, so let's go to the ratings on this bike. She's got a 9.02 on the color, a 9.3 on originality, 9.45 on parts, 9.43 on the overall style, giving her a total overall rating score of a 9.3 on this build. I think she could have got a little bit higher on that. This bike is fire, man. Just on the dropout alone, she should have got higher points, because that dropout is crazy. We only had 6 people come and rate this bike. Now, there should be way more people rating this bike. This is an Olympic BMX finalist, a BMX world champion. Y'all need to come back to sugarcane.com. The link is in the description. Give this bike a rating. I know the 2021 competition is over, but come on, y'all. Y'all have to give some love to this bike. This is an official professional BMX bike right here. Definitely show some love. So if you're looking to submit your bike to Bike of the Day on sugarcane.com, all you have to do is send me some really nice high-res photos like the ones you see right here, a full parts list, and also the inspiration for your build. I need you to send all that stuff to sugarcanecom@gmail.com. That's sugarcanecom@gmail.com. All right, so that's it. Bike of the Day, SUNN Royal Factory Olympic Edition, Manon Valentino. Big shout out and thanks again to Manon for submitting this bike. I'm looking forward to seeing more submissions from the pros out there. Also, I'm looking forward to seeing what Manon has in store for this year for her bike. So definitely stay tuned for that. All right, so enough talking about bikes, enough looking at bikes, enough rating bikes. I need y'all to go out and ride your bikes. This is Crazy Al Kane, sugarcane.com, CACTV, Bike of the Day, and I'm out. Back to you, Billy.